Good morning, my dudes. We are currently on our way to Corbin. Holy shit. Yeah, we're about to figure out what's wrong with Sparkles. As y'all know, recently got into an accident. Well, somebody hit us. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna go more in depth about what happened. So I'm getting off the bridge and I hit a stoplight. Boom, stop at the stoplight. After the stoplight, obviously what? You go. We approach this, like, it's like a little side street when you're going down this frontage road. It's like a little side street where somebody could just turn into. Not really a yield, it's more of like a parking lot. It's a white truck that had a lady in it. She was driving, a lady driver, bro. Yeah, whatever. Then she hops right in front of this dude. I'm like, no fucking way, no shot. Like, I see it, it's like, bro, he locks his brakes. I'm like, holy shit. And like, I'm like right here by it at that time when he locks his brakes. And I'm like, it's like at that point you have to make like a split-second decision. And at the time, I was like, oh shit, I'm about to either gas it or I'm about to brake. And at that point, I'm literally like right next to this thing, and I try to downshift, and I try to, like, you know what I mean, like gun it, and I kind of like turn the wheel just a little bit to kind of, like, I guess you could say scrape the curb a bit, because obviously I'm about to get new wheels. I need new wheels. I was like, fuck it, what, you know what I mean, fuck it. So yeah, I ended up kind of like scraping the curb a bit, and then bro, when he locked his tires, he ended up swerving and he hit me. And when he hit me, it knocked me more into the curb, and so I went over the curb, and my wheels are kind of looking like this right now. Hopefully I can get the dash cam footage. So yeah, yeah, she hopped right in front of him, locked his brakes, bro swerved right into me. I tried to downshift and get out of there. I already know braking wasn't really an option, because either way I'm getting hit. So it's like, fuck it, just, you know what I mean, try my best to get out of there. No, that didn't work out regardless. Either way, shit didn't work out. Yeah, ended up on this, like, in some grass, got off the grass, drove like to this gas station. He pulled off down there immediately, like he was able to. God dang, dude, get off my ass, bro. You alright? Is what it is. Like, I can't really, you know what I mean? Like, shit happened. Bad day, little nigga, womp womp. I mean, I'm just glad that I'm okay. I'm glad that the car still drives. I'm glad that, you know what I mean, it's nothing like major. But the really sucky part about like all of this shit is that, like, the body damage that it caused. What my main concern is the fact that, like, the frame is not, like, I don't want the frame to be bent, bro. I really hope, like, nothing is off with the frame, because if the frame is fucked, bro, I'm fucked.
No fair.
You know what I mean? Like, because the guy didn't have insurance, and my insurance policy canceled this fucking week, and I didn't even fucking know. Like, this is the day after the accident, bro. Like, dog, I uploaded the video, like, yeah, the day of the accident. I got y'all posted immediately, bro. So yeah, as of right now, we're on the way to Corbin. We're about to figure out what's going on with her. About to, you know what I mean, get everything on the road, like, you know what I mean, get stuff started, because I'm not. Jeez, isn't that an HVAC system, a big ass AC system? It's pretty cool. Yeah, hopefully I'll be able to work on one of those one day. Jeez Louise, that looks badass. I'm a little autistic. I like big machinery. I'm gonna get y'all some footage of what's going on with the car. We're gonna lift it up on a jack. We're gonna take off all the under panels and actually see what happened down there. See what I need to order. Hopefully it's not too much. I don't think it's gonna be too much, bro. Honestly, just from the way it's, bro. It's because I'm behind a damn truck. All right, just gonna get everything started, bro. I don't like waiting for, like, you know what I mean, when I can get stuff done, I'm gonna get stuff done, like, at that time. I guess guess I'll see y'all in a, no. I don't know if y'all want to see this content, bro. It's like me trying not to wreck it. Well, not even trying not to wreck. It's like just me driving here. This is like, it's not hard to drive it. Like, it's nothing is like really too fucked on it. Everything seems pretty like durable still, you know what I mean? Just a little fucked up. Just a little fucked up. Yeah, I know.
You want a crew car down there?
Yeah, please, bro.
Let's take y'all on taking y'all on a little trip. Woo. Yeah. It's supposed to have a little bend to it. It's a little more bent than it should be. That's fucking bent up there.
Which way? What happened?
So look. Actually, you might even see it on that other video.
She's a trooper, though. Damn. You said what?
I said I could take a hammer to it.
What do you mean?
Slightly move it out.
Oh, yeah.
So I just pulled the cylinder out. That's the fun of having an aluminum car.
Yeah. Alright. So, guys, we're not fucked. That really scared the shit out of me was my A-pillar on my, on the door.
So is he putting anything for it?
No, let his bitch ass off scot-free. Because, bro, he's in a more shitty situation than I'm in. I'm not gonna lie. Like, bro was sleeping in his car with his dog. Yeah, it was bad.
Yeah, I know you're only paying $1,000 for everything.
Yeah, it looks like. Well, the mods, no.
Besides the wheels.
Yeah, I was already gonna get new wheels regardless. But yeah, this is definitely fixable, guys. The only reason why I assumed it would be totaled was because, bro, it got the entire right side of the car, bro. You know what I mean? So that could definitely cause some structure damage, bro. That's what I was afraid of, huh?
So was your girl with you?
No, I dropped her off.
Ejectocito!
I have no idea what that is. Somebody in the comments, please let me know what this is too, and if I could save this piece. And it won't let me downshift into second or first in high RPMs, but I think that's because of my wheel, the sensor in the wheel and stuff like that. So it's like it's trying to say, like, take its best to like, nigga, chill the fuck out. We're all good. But yeah, as y'all see, we got more to the build coming, I guess. Carbon fiber fenders, why not? M Sport front, M Sport rear. Replace the, I guess, yeah, just go back stock and just put what's it called? Carbon wing. I said wing. Carbon, what's it called on it? I wonder how it would look without the bumper.
I forgot to show you.
This dude got everybody ass. Nah, that's it, bro.
Took me $18.85.
All right, appreciate it, man.
Well,
About to eat good, you feel me? Hold on, give me 1 second. So yeah, bros, as we see, there's not like, I'm not gonna say there's not like too much to get done, but there's not a lot. There's not as much as I thought there was gonna be to get done, bro. Just to, like I said, another reason to build this thing out. Like, bro, I'm about to put so much money into this car. Like, it's about to be crazy, bro. It's about to be crazy, bro. But so everything is in the bag, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a big bag. I don't know what the hell that was. But yeah, do y'all want that? Like, a series where y'all just build my cars, y'all tell me what parts to get, and I just slap it on here? Like, don't blow my car up, bro. Like, what? I'm trusting y'all. Like, I want quality parts. Like, I'm really trying to, like, bro, y'all, like, let me know what's up. Let me know. I'll probably do that. Subscriber built car, that'll be tough. I don't know if anybody else doing that out there. Hope that all y'all at least have some sort of success in life. That's one thing I do want my subscribers to get from me is like, everything is gonna be okay. Just go. Like, believe that God is on your side. Like, pray. Actually talk to God. So that's one way to reassure yourself that you're gonna be okay, bro. God got you, bro. Just go and do what you gotta do. If you really want to start this YouTube channel, just do it, bro. Like, it doesn't matter. You're gonna eventually get used to talking. Like, you're gonna eventually get used to talking to people, like, through the camera. It's like, it's crazy how where I got from the beginning of, like, my old videos and stuff like that. Like, I put an old video up in a few minutes. Like, I'll show y'all. Like, it's like, I don't know. I guess you could say the vibe is different, bro. Everything is like, I don't know. It's starting to feel natural, bro. Like I said, if I could do it, you could do it too, bro. Because I got a lot of shit that's wrong with me mentally, bro. As in, like, autism and, like, just mental health in general. Everybody has something wrong with them. So don't let that one thing stop you, bro. Stop letting that shit be the cause of you having an excuse on why you don't have a YouTube channel and why you haven't made the effort to create a YouTube channel in general. Like, just keep going in life and don't give up, bro. Because that's one thing that I have a problem with, is like, stand on top of my shit and being consistent with this YouTube shit. Because, like, bro, I truly want to do this shit for the rest of my life. YouTube is something that I truly want to do. Y'all got this shit, bro. Keep going. I don't know why a lot of people like to give up with this shit. I'm not gonna say, hey, this shit isn't hard to do, because it is, bro. It's time consuming. Like, you really have to be on your shit. You have to sacrifice time that you really don't have. You feel me? Just to record a video. So yes, be on your shit. Y'all got it, bro. Y'all got this shit. Y'all got it, bro. I know my subs. Y'all got it. All right, boys. Yeah, so I just got back from the crib. I dropped Jada off. About to go back to the crib. We about to go look at these parts. What was I about to say? I was just made, like, somebody just told me that my quality on my video is kind of like wonky. Like, it's 480 HP or something like that, whatever it's called. So 480p. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to, I guess, find another editing software, or I don't know, I'm gonna have to do something. I'm gonna have to do something to try to get as much of this footage as possible for y'all. But, and have it, you know what I mean, top-notch quality. Because, like, that made me a little upset. Not gonna lie. We're all good, man. Well, get the tie rod and then get the alignment. You know what I mean? Because you can't get the alignment without the tie rod. You feel me? You need the bread without the butter. You can't get the bread without the butter. You gotta get the butter with the bread. You feel me? Like, you can't just eat straight butter without bread. Like, you're gonna get a heart attack. What am I talking about? Oh my God, it's a snowstorm. Oh my God. Don't start it now. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it, you little son of a bitch. The fuck is that? Well, YouTube, we had to pull over. This is the end. Now let me stop.
This is the end,
Bros. I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to sit out here, just like enjoy the rest of what I got. You feel me? You feel me? Hope y'all staying safe out there today. Wait. I really hope y'all are staying safe out there today, bro. Cause like, this is something that Houston isn't really used to, bro.
Sorry.
Yeah, okay, baby. Look at that, having fun. That's why I do this shit, bro.
I'm not.
You are autistic. We're both autistic. I'm autistic on paper. You're just, yeah, you're undiagnosed. What it do, YouTube? Good morning. I'm just gonna even step down. I ain't gonna lie. Ow. Jeez Louise. What?